Hello guys, I am Utkarsh, your host in this series Discover AI, brought to you by the Society of Artificial Intelligence. Today, we will be learning about the topic Artificial Intelligence in Healthcare and how AI is helping in treatment of COVID-19. AI is the capacity of computer algorithms to an exact ends without direct human information. Artificial intelligence in healthcare is the utilization of complex calculations and programming to imitate human insight within the examination, translation, and appreciation of confounded clinical and medicinal service information. In the extremely complex world of healthcare, AI instruments can support human suppliers to offer quick support, analyze issues, and information to recognize patterns or genetic information that would incline somebody to a specific disease. The essential aim of health related AI applications is to break down connections between avoidance or treatment strategies and patient outcomes. AI programs have been created and applied to practices, for example, conclusion forms, treatment convention advancement, tranquilize improvement, customized medication, and patient checking and care. AI and machine learning have helped in improving human life now and later on. In healthcare, these are broadly utilized for clinical decision support purposes in the course of the last couple of decades and are still in wide use today. There are more than 90 new AI startups in the healthcare sector working in these fields. With the COVID 19 pandemic quickly developing and changing each day, specialists should prioritize the creation and use of advanced tools like AI and machine learning to improve treatment and diagnosis. AI can likewise assist us with following spread of COVID-19 and different maladies by recognizing early notice signals. AI and machine learning are assuming a key job in better understanding and tending to the COVID-19 emergency. Machine learning innovation empowers computers to mimic human intelligence to rapidly recognize examples and bits of knowledge. In the face against COVID 19, organizations have been quickly applying their machine learning expertise in several areas like scaling customer communications, recognizing early notice signals, understanding how COVID 19 spreads, and speeding up the research and treatment. Healthcare and government institutions are utilizing ML powered chatbots for contactless screening of COVID 19 manifestations and to address questions from the general society. Machine learning is additionally helping analysts to examine huge volumes of information to estimate the spread of COVID 19 so as to go about as an early notice framework for future pandemics and to distinguish weak populations. Blue Dot is a Canadian startup and AWS client that utilizes AI to recognize disease outbreaks and anticipate the dispersion of disease. ML is helping leaders in making advanced information decisions in the face of COVID 19. IT is likewise supporting a scenario arranging instrument that demonstrated the expected effect of COVID 19 so as to respond to questions like what number of medical clinic beds will we need, or for how long would it be a good idea for us to use a shelter in a place order. Machine learning can likewise help quicken the discovery of drugs to help treat COVID 19. This was all for this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot to go with ahead. Thank you and enjoy learning with the Society of Artificial Intelligence.